Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to put together and use the GG1000 gas generator. This project is quick and easy, and this generator is the most popular generator that we have on the market.
Your unit will come with the tools and parts you need to put your unit together. Here is a list of what you need. Grab your handle and line up the holes in the handle with the holes on top of the unit. Place the screw into the hole and tighten it with a screwdriver. Now you're ready to begin fueling. To prepare the fuel, first mix 2.5 fluid ounces of oil with 1 gallon of fuel. After you've mixed the two, you will need to add fuel stabilizer. Pour in the appropriate amount into the container. If you want a quicker option, simply purchase pre-mixed engine fuel, which is what we will be using today. Once your unit is outside, unscrew the gas cap, put a funnel in, and pour in your fuel. Be sure to wipe down your unit if you spill any gas. Remove the funnel and screw the gas cap back on. Turn the engine switch to on. Move the choke to start position, and open the fuel valve. Grab the recoil handle and pull quickly. When the engine turns on, move the choke knob to start. When you are ready to use appliances with your unit, simply plug in your appliance and you are good to go. When you are finished, simply unplug your appliance and turn the on-off switch to off.
And that's it! The GG1000 is simple and easy to use. Lots of our customers enjoy it for its portability, ease of use, and small price tag. Make sure to read your manual thoroughly so you know how to take care of your machine properly. Thanks for watching. Remember to click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!